Have you ever wondered how something as massive as our sun could possibly have a hole? A question that might sound ludicrous at first, but let's unmask its mystery. We're talking about our sun, the colossal fiery ball, the life-giving source that's vital for our existence, immense in size, and yet, intriguingly, it has holes. Yes, you heard it right, holes. Now these are not your everyday run-of-the-mill holes, they are known as coronal holes. Strange and fascinating phenomena that have intrigued scientists for decades. These are regions where the sun's corona is dark, and they have a lower temperature and density than the surrounding areas. So, how can a star, the epitome of energy and light, possess such an anomaly? It's not a simple answer. The explanation is tethered to the sun's dynamic and intricate magnetic field. The answer lies in the sun's dynamic magnetic field, a topic we'll delve into next. To comprehend the sun's massive hole, we must first understand its magnetic field. Much like the Earth, the sun also has a magnetic field, only it's far more complex and dynamic. This magnetic field is generated by the sun's core, and extends far beyond the sun's surface, influencing everything in its path. The sun's magnetic field is responsible for a variety of fascinating phenomena. Solar flares and sunspots, for instance, are directly linked to the sun's magnetic activity. Solar flares are sudden and intense bursts of energy that occur when magnetic energy built up in the sun's atmosphere is released. They are the solar system's largest explosive events, radiating as much energy as 1 billion atomic bombs. Sunspots, on the other hand, are dark spots on the sun's surface caused by intense magnetic activity. They appear darker than the surrounding areas because they are cooler. These spots are areas where the sun's magnetic field is extremely strong, inhibiting the transport of heat from the sun's interior to its surface. Now let's dive into the subject of coronal holes. These are areas on the sun's surface where the sun's magnetic field opens up and allows streams of solar particles to escape into space, forming solar winds. Unlike the closed magnetic field lines seen in sunspots, the open field lines in a coronal hole allow these particles to flow out freely. Coronal holes appear darker and cooler than the surrounding solar material, much like sunspots. However, unlike sunspots, which are temporary and change day by day, coronal holes can last for several months and can grow or shrink over time. They are most commonly found at the sun's poles but can appear anywhere on the sun's surface. These coronal holes are the key to understanding the sun's massive hole. Let's explore them further. Coronal holes, the mysterious gateways in the sun's magnetic field, hold the secret to the sun's massive hole. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly are these coronal holes? Well, they are vast regions where the sun's magnetic field opens up and allows streams of solar particles to escape into space, forming what we call solar wind. These are areas where the sun's corona is darker, colder, and has much less dense plasma than average. Imagine the sun as an orange. The thick, bright peel represents the corona, while the coronal holes would be like those tiny spots on the peel where the underlying color of the orange peeks through. But don't be fooled by their seemingly less dramatic appearance. These holes in the corona play a crucial role in shaping the sun's character and influencing its behavior. Now let's delve a little deeper into the formation of these coronal holes. They are primarily found in two areas of the sun, the polar regions and the lower latitudes. The polar holes are permanent fixtures, while those at lower latitudes are more transient, appearing and disappearing over the solar cycle, which lasts about 11 years. These coronal holes form when the sun's magnetic field lines arch away and fail to return, unlike in other regions where they loop back to the solar surface. This phenomenon creates an open doorway for hot plasma to flow outwards, causing the dark, cold areas we've been talking about. So, why are these holes important? They are the source of high-speed solar winds, which are streams of charged particles released from the upper atmosphere of the sun. These winds carry the sun's magnetic field into space, influencing the space weather around our planet. In essence, coronal holes are like the sun's exhaust system, allowing it to breathe out streams of solar particles into the universe. Without them, the sun could potentially overheat and become unstable. So these coronal holes are the massive holes in the sun. But how do they affect us here on Earth? The solar wind released by coronal holes travels through space and can affect our planet. This is not just a hypothetical scenario, but a reality we live with every day. Now let's break down this cosmic journey. Solar wind is a stream of charged particles that the sun continually emits into space. It's like the sun is constantly exhaling, and this breath, this solar wind, travels at an impressive speed, reaching up to 1 million miles per hour. This gust of solar particles does not stop until it encounters an obstacle. And one such obstacle is Earth's magnetic field. Our planet's magnetic field acts like a protective shield, buffering us from the full force of the solar wind. But this interaction is not without its own spectacle. When the charged particles from the solar wind collide with the atoms and molecules in Earth's atmosphere, they create a stunning light show known as auroras. These celestial displays, also known as the northern and southern lights, are the silver lining to our planet's encounter with solar wind. However, it's not all just beautiful light shows. Intense solar winds, often associated with coronal holes, can pose certain challenges. They can cause geomagnetic storms, which in turn can interfere with our electrical power grids and satellite communications. These storms remind us of the interconnectedness of space, our sun, and our home planet. Solar winds and their impact on Earth are a crucial part of our understanding of space weather. They are a testament to the fact that even though space may seem distant and detached, it's very much a part of our daily lives. The sun's massive hole, while seemingly intimidating, is part of a fascinating cosmic dance. It's a dance that involves the sun, the solar winds, our planet, and its magnetic field. And in this grand cosmic ballet, we get a front-row seat to some of the universe's most captivating performances. The sun's massive hole is not a sign of its demise, but a testament to its dynamic nature. This fascinating celestial body, our very own sun, continually astounds us with its complexities. We've journeyed through the intricacies of the sun's magnetic field, the enigma of coronal holes, and the power of solar winds. Each component plays a vital role in the cosmic dance that unfolds above us. The sun's magnetic field, an invisible force shield, governs the solar surface, shaping these mysterious coronal holes. These holes, far from being signs of decay, are windows to the high-speed solar winds that intimately connect our blue planet to the fiery orb. These winds, charged particles hurled into space, impact our Earth in profound ways. They spark captivating auroras, interfere with our technology, and remind us of our place in the grand cosmos. So, the next time you look up at the sun, remember the cosmic ballet happening right above us. Now we'd love to hear from you. What other space phenomena stir your curiosity? As we journey through the cosmos, we encounter mysteries and marvels, phenomena that boggle the mind and stir the imagination. The universe is a vast canvas, painted with the brush of time and space, where every star, every planet, every galaxy has a story to tell. Perhaps you're intrigued by the dancing auroras of the polar skies, or the enigmatic dark matter that seemingly binds the universe together, or maybe you're captivated by the possibility of life beyond our home planet in the distant reaches of the cosmos. From black holes to pulsars, from quasars to nebulae, the universe is a treasure trove of wonders waiting to be explored. And as we delve deeper into these mysteries, we invite you to join us on this grand adventure. Every question you ask, every thought you share, adds a new layer to our collective understanding. So, let's start a conversation. Share your thoughts, your questions, your ideas. Let's unravel the mysteries of the universe together. And if you've enjoyed this journey, if you found value in our exploration, we invite you to become a part of our community. Like our videos, share them with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Join us as we traverse the cosmos, unraveling its mysteries one star at a time. But our journey doesn't end here. There are more questions to ask, more mysteries to unravel. So, stay curious. Keep your eyes on the skies, your mind open to possibilities, because the universe is a grand stage, and we're all part of the play. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the cosmos. Until next time, keep looking up.